morning, class. To keep our fantastic Friday rolling, we're going to jump right back into our math unit from yesterday. To start off, we are going to have a quick review sesh. As you can see on our smartboard, each numeral normally found on a clock is written with a line under it. Now, if you have a number from 1 to 12 on your desk, would you please go up to that same number on the board? And on the line under it, I want each of you to write what that numeral represents. Does everyone understand what we are doing, or have any questions? Awesome! Now numbers 1 through 12 go on ahead up. Let's give them a minute to figure out their answers. Great! Now, class, let's regroup and check our friends' work. I'll read all of our friends' answers, and at the end, you raise your hand and tell me which ones you do not agree with. Okay, Molly had number 1. She said that the numeral 1 is equal to 5 minutes. George said the numeral 2 is equal to 10 minutes. Chris said numeral 3 is equal to 15 minutes. Carly said numeral 4 is equal to 20 minutes. Allie said numeral 5 is equal to 25 minutes. Joey said numeral 6 is equal to 30 minutes. Sam said numeral 7 is equal to 35 minutes. Jamie said numeral 8 is equal to 40 minutes. Jack said numeral 9 is equal to 45 minutes. Ryan said numeral 10 is equal to 50 minutes. Michelle said numeral 11 is equal to 55 minutes. And Zach said numeral 12 was equal to 60 minutes. Does anyone disagree? Awesome! It looks like all of our friends got the correct answers, and we understand numerals. Our understanding is looking very sharp. Now, remind me, how many seconds are in a minute? Good, 60. And how many minutes are in an hour? Good again, 60. Amazing, it seems like I can't trick you guys. Now, as a class, we are going to play the clock game on the smartboard to review for our mini quiz tomorrow. The game will show us a clock with the little hand on the hour and the big hand showing us the minutes. I will choose one of you to go up and type in on the smartboard keyboard what time they think it is. I'm going to have the clicker, which hits the check button. If you get the smiley face with the thumbs up, you got it right. If you get it wrong, a confused face will pop up and give you a little bit of help. Then you can try again, and if not, phone a friend. Is everyone ready to play? Yay, let's get started. Now, who would like to go first? Zoe, you've been very patient today. You can start us off. Go on up and type in your guess. Good, now let's check. I'm going to hit the check button. Awesome, you got a smiley face. Good job, Zoe. Looks like you're learning to tell time. Now we're going to do 2 more. Can I have another volunteer? Mason, go on ahead up. Tell me what time you think this is. Okay, I'm going to hit check. Awesome, another smiley face with a thumbs up. Last one. Lydia, go on ahead up and type in your guess. Okay, I'm going to hit check. Amazing, guys! You guys have done so well today. You've all been working so hard and participating in this math unit. Great job. I'm confident you are all going to do very well on our mini quiz tomorrow. Before we move on to our reading unit, does anyone have any last-minute questions before our mini quiz tomorrow? None? Are we sure? Okay, well if you think of any, put them in our question jar by the end of the day and I will be sure to go over them tomorrow morning. Now, we are going to get ready to start our reading lesson. So if everyone could get up, take a big stretch, and then grab your book so we can start.